Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For you folks who's been watching my video, thank you so much. So today I'm going to make a review on this machine. It's a Fuji Xerox C2275. Let me see if I press this home button. I will be given another display of the menu. So right now I'm setting up for a new PC in the press this button. So this one, if I press the old network of this folder, it will show me this the settings from the old PC. So what I'm going to do now is make a share folder for the Fuji Xerox machine to. So right now, if you want to go to the network setup of this machine, you have to log in via admin button, and this one is the admin button, and normally the default password. So for example, if I press this connectivity and network setup, normally we show you the server name of this machine and the network settings. Alright, so now let's go to the PC. Alright, so this is the new PC, and as you can see, if I press the start button, if I go to device and printers, so I can see these drivers, the machine. It will be shown on your device and printers, but first you have to install the drivers, and also you can see which user has the administrator's right to use this machine, whether it's machine itself or as an administrator. You can edit, write and read whatever files in this new PC from the Fuji Xerox. And also you can see which user has the administrator's right to use this machine, whether it's machine itself or as an administrator. You can edit, write and read whatever files in this new PC from the Fuji Xerox. So if you right click this device right here, you can see this machine is using which tray. So you can see is it using color or black and white. So all the settings of the machine is here. Alright, so that's all. Thank you for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.